Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're just going to be playing with Colourpop Of Quartz palette. This is so beautiful, you guys. I didn't know what to do, so bear with me as I try with you guys because I had no idea and what this was going to be turning. I do have planned to go to Ulta today, so I kind of wanted to do something that wasn't crazy but still look kind of glamorous for this video, so we're just gonna get started. So I had to jump into voiceover, you guys, because the noise in the background wasn't real. So I'm just grabbing this gray right here and just placing it in my crease, just dragging it outside a little bit and just working it in there for now. I gotta say, you guys, these colors are very pigmented and I really enjoy working with them. Now I'm just grabbing this shade right next to it and trying to place it on top, trying to switch it and give it another color to this gray. Also just playing around with the colors. In this clip right here, I was so uncertain on what to do, but I started with this color right here and started placing it as an eyeliner and giving it kind of like a cat eye or like a liner kind of shape to the eye. I went back and forth until I was happy with what I was doing, but anyways, I'm gonna be covering this part right here with some shimmer that you won't even see, so I worked so hard for nothing. But in the end, it all looks good, so I'm just gonna be smashing it a little bit, smudging or something like that, and placing that shimmer on top. So I'm grabbing that shimmer right now and starting placing it on my lid and kind of sparsing it all over the place right here. Now I'm grabbing this other shimmer and placing it on top for a little extra sparkle. Now I'm just gonna be moving to the lower lash part with the same colors I used in the top, just to complete the look. Here I'm just using a clean brush just to give it some more blending, and now I'm just gonna be grabbing one of my favorite liners from Essence and I'm gonna line my lips. I'm also gonna top it off with this Juvia's Place color right here. Here's how the look turned out to be. I really like it. It's very cool tone, but I really enjoy how it looks on my skin tone. So this is the look, you guys. This is what I came up to for today's going out to Ulta. And you guys, I love the pigmentation of this palette. I never had something so cool like this. Not so sure how much I'll be like wearing this because I do like warmer tones when it comes to going to work or like wearing for an everyday basis, but this was kind of cool. I really liked it. It was kind of difficult because I didn't know what to do, but now that I do have it, I kind of like playing with it, so I'll be wearing this for the rest of the day. going to Ulta looking very cool tone, glamorous look. But yeah, I like it, and hopefully you like this video. Hopefully you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.